What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and I think journaling is the best way to see where your mistakes come up and how you can improve your strategy. If you're a new trader getting into trading, I think journaling, probably publicly posting your stuff too, it kind of gives you some level of, I don't know if you'd say responsibility, or you feel like you should actually keep some of the things that you say, and there's some level of accountability. That's the word I was looking for, a level of accountability, especially when trading your strategy, because I know how I messed up today. Me dedicating myself to doing these videos, now I'm going to actually show you how I fucked up today, which kind of hurts, but at the same time it makes me accountable. I can look back and say, hey, I've been fucking up too much, and it's literally me fucking up my own strategy, blowing my account. So me reviewing the trades actually gives me some level of accountability. I really messed up today. I'll show you all the trades. Let's just get into them. Let me not even waste your time. So I only did one trade on the Trade the Pool platform for a loss of 55. Was to the buy side. I wasn't happy about it at all. So this trade was at 14.57, and I think 14.57 is like 10.57. Let's see, 10.57 should have been part of the 10.45 candle. So that was at 13.49. So I entered to the buy side here. I had a three-line strike, bullish candle, and also a bullish engulfing, and also weakness on the MACD. But that didn't help me out. This proved to be totally wrong. I mean, I didn't get such a big loss. Show you where I really messed up in the market today, and that's what kind of just threw me off. Like, damn, I really need to be following my strategy, right? So this was 10. So this is 11.45 on the 11.45 candle. So as it really started to break down, that's where it knocked me out at 313, 14. So entered here to the buy side, got stopped out here. As you can see, this is basically below the level of the lowest point of the same candle I entered in. So that's where I have my stop loss, and that's a relatively good trade. But I'll show you the trades that I was just too greedy on, right? So that was the first trade. You see how, like, over time I can easily skim through this much better, much faster. Repetition is key, guys. Repetition is key. If you ever pull something from this video, repetition, and I'm gonna repeat the steps consistently until I get it down, until it provides so much more value for you, right? So let me see now. I had how much trades? 4 trades, right? You know, I tried to go for 1 to 3 max. So I had 4 trades. My fourth trade was my big fuck up, to the point where they had to pause my account because I lost so much money. And when I entered this trade and it began to go against me so quick, I froze. Like, it was just a minute pass and I froze. The amount of money that went down so fast and within a minute, right? But I'll show you all of the trades. So the first trade was at 8. It was on the 8 o'clock candle. So let's put that out here on the 8 o'clock. This is the 8 o'clock. And where was the bias here? 8 o'clock, sell side bias. And I entered that at 12.918. 12.918. 0.9, right? So 12.918.9 minus 3 from this, right? Gives you 809. Okay. 12.98. So there's a little slippage there. So it was closer to there on this chart, but this is basically where I entered to the sell side here. That's what it's saying. Maybe with low liquidity, it's hard to feel me at the exact amount, but I got stopped out on this candle, the 15-minute candle right after, at 12.935.7. So I entered to the sell side around here. There's gonna be some slippage with these platforms because I'm not sure which broker or where they're pulling their data from exactly, so I could match it up. But this is where I entered to the downside and I got stopped out there, right? To the downside, why would I enter to the downside? I think I was just seeing the curvature there, but and also you had a three line strike bear previously. So I was thinking, all right, it shouldn't come up to here. We're gonna take it back down. I was wrong there. So that was the first wrong trade on the day. One, right? Second trade now was at 9:30. And that was this candle. Sell side again on 9:30 candle. 12908.3. 08.3. So on this one, I entered to the sell side again. Sell side was the trade, but I had a bullish engulfing come and just wipe me out. And these things happen. I mean, these are like big market players just playing dirty, basically. And I got stopped out. Same candle at 12927.4. And this candle was big. I don't like playing these big candles because I assume so much risk by playing these big candles. So this was a trade that I lost $57 on. And as you can see, it's because I did a 0.3 lot size. If I did a 0.1, I wouldn't have taken this much of a loss. Probably a 20 something loss at max, right? But I wanted to go big and get this big move to the downside. Unfortunately, I was wrong. So next trade now. This was actually at 9. 9. Entered this one at 9. 9. So that was at 9. At 12922.4. Sell side again, and then I got stopped out on the 12 on the 940 at 12926.9. Either stop out or I manually closed it, like as this one. Yeah, I think I manually closed it as it started to go against me for a total loss of $9. So when this candle closed now, this is where I really fucked up, and I'm mad at myself for this. As you can see here, I went super big, 0.5. So every move would have been multiplied by 5, right? I went to the buy side. I didn't even set a stop loss because I was thinking, okay, we're about to push to the upside. Let me not set a stop loss so they can hit me out fast. That turned out to be the wrong decision because as this candle opened, this pushed right down. So I entered here to the upside without even seeing how the candle was forming. I'm thinking, all right, break down here before I push up. Nope. The candle pushed down, pushed down, pushed down. It just slided. It just slid down to the point where I couldn't even take it out. So this is where the candle opened, right? I entered to the upside, and as it started to slide down, I was in like 180 loss at this point. I'm like, damn, I can't close this. Only to see it keep pushing down until I got stopped out. Like my account was like, yeah, that's too much losses for today. And that was within a minute. That's what happened. 12981.5. Oh no, my apologies. Something just wrong about that candle. 12891.5. Okay, so that was basically the bottom of this candle. And look at that. Even if my if I could handle a little bit more, I might have been able to take it back to the upside, but at the same time, I shouldn't be assuming this much risk just to make a trade, just to make a profitable trade, you know. So that's basically what happened today. Too big a size, not working with my strategy, not setting my stop loss. It was on me. I can basically see where my strategy could have played out much better if I had just followed it. That's basically it for today's videos, guys. And today's video, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. I have to take it down because I could even put this back on the screen. I gotta take it down because, like, full transparency, I'll lose this account if I mess up again with such a big trade. Like, basically, I can't lose $200 tomorrow. I can't even afford to do that, right? Let me even show you here. Like, this is just full transparency. So you can see I'm literally funded here. I'm supposed to get to 1,000. This is how my chart has been, the trajectory. So currently I'm at 9,600, right? The minimum level is 9,400. So I can only lose about $200 more, right? That's basically it. I don't know what else I could show you from here. I'm having a poor win rate. Largest pip win 89, largest pip loss 44. Also, so I have a great pip win here, but today was my biggest loss, and I've had bigger profits, 300. Let's make it worth it. Let's make it worth it. But just to show you what's going on, that I can lose this account. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and I mean, it's just full transparency. You seeing if I'm fucking up, you see what's going on. 1 to 3 trades tomorrow. 0.1, 0.2 for the sizes. And I think we'll be good. Alright? I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.